Yo. Excuse me, pardon me, yes that's right, your attention please, my LP has arrived, I believe introductions are in order, I hope you don't mind if I record the following lines. Allow me to go first my friends call me Jives, Jacob Bergs must suggested I had the time. The rhyme you'll find on my album Spine. Hold up, wait, rewind. Grade 10 science class, Colburn High, a class I flunked 1999. My desk assigned to confine behind who we at the time defined the comma couldn't deny. Had a comedic mind ahead of his time, but later in life we combined forces and co-write theatrical productions. But never mind, back in grade 10 when our paths intertwined for the first time, my friend Ben said as he rolled up his sleeves, my name was like a butler, so with ease he conjured a nickname in that moment it seemed time would freeze. He said, Jives. I know he meant Jeeves, but all it would take was that mistake to make my namesake take as a way to make speakers shake with whatever the chorus is. Yeah. Or like maybe a bridge. Yo, the name is James Derek Richard Standish. Always been a nerd, always been outlandish. If you have a sandwich, I will make it vanish. Oh, vanish. Because rap is more than a habit, I got to have it. Is that hunger to establish my name as that artist working hardest for his status in this magic hip-hop culture. A landscape of poetic sculptures. I wanna make something from everyone, from vegan to vulture. This album is not a departure, always trying to grow like agriculture, a horticulture. My name James comes from a great-grandfather. My middle initials that spell doctor. Also from my family, from the death disease to the high-flying helicopters. Nothing more important to me, true talk for sure. Obviously, so this album is for you, a project you can listen to without me being too embarrassed by the language I choose. Saying verses with less curses, and in this tune, in lieu of obscure references that lose those not in tune with video games and Japanese cartoons, I'm bringing sweet, sweet truth.
What time is it?
Yo, it's Jives time! James, Derek, Richard, Standish.
What time is it?
Yo, it's Jives time! James, Derek, Richard, Standish. Chorus, chorus. This is that chorus, it's just a chorus, but why chorus? Yo, this is that chorus. This is the hook, that was the hook. Chorus, chorus. This is the hook, that was the hook. I like the name the folks who raised me gave me, but back my title transformed to Jamie. I got to an age and decided that's for babies.
Stupid, dumb babies.
In hindsight, maybe that sounds a little crazy. To those who rock that handle, my apologies. Shout out to Townsend and Mr. G.
What up, my Jamies?
But I was 4'5", so don't play me. If I became insanely lame and distraught, no more other when my brother Rod sought to lose the moniker Roddy. Well, that's probably why I arrived at the conclusion that my animosity was justified. Names that end in Y or E-I-E, something you be called by your mommy. Now I see this belief is foolhardy. You got me. Well, I'm out of here, some more honesty. I'll modestly summarize. It's not the story of Jacob who was 9. So awesome how he said everything twice. What a cool nickname. I wanted that guy. But me. So I told my parents call me that 2 times. Mimi. Somehow I thought that sounded cool when I was 3. Now to agree, rose by any other name, smelled by killer bees on the swarm like MCs on the mic is only as hype as what he write. Whatever, call me Jives. Yo, what time is it? Yo, it's Jives time. James, Derek, Richard, Standish. What time is it? Yo, it's Jives time. James, Derek, Richard, Standish. Chorus, 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 chorus. This is the hook. That was the hook.
It's our rock. It's our rock.
Oh my stars, get your ass to Mars. You don't know me and you don't know my bars. I'm normally sick of orders, gripping sticks and 40s, torches, hitting dicks and Porsches, living quick authority, sick and portly corpses, living affordably in hidden fortresses of bricks and mortar, morbidly rigor mortis, ridden pricks. Fuck that, torch this.